Yeah, this is not a bad fish. I need the net.
Get the net. Who's got the net? I'll get the net. I'll get the net. Oh, I've got the net.
Sheikh, grab.
Bismillah. What do you need? Wait, what do you want me?
I reckon this is a illegal jewfish. I'm calling it, but it's got good head shakes. Oh mate, it's a good fish, I can tell you that. Oh, it's a jewfish, yeah.
Oh yeah.
But it's illegal.
Yeah,
it's not legal.
No illegal.
Quick.
Every time we catch something, you say it's illegal.
It's not legal. You see, and the hook came straight off.
Wow.
Because
oh my God, look at that beautiful beauty.
that's a jewfish.
Look at the rainbow. Jewfish, right?
Yeah, Mulloway. They're beautiful. But okay, let me give you an idea of how big they have to be in order to be legal. Joey, if this was the old size limits, which was 45, this would be legal. But
Yeah,
this,
you call that a Christian fish, we wouldn't know.
this guy needs to be, okay, he's not bad. He's coming in at about 50, yeah, about 50. He needs to be 70 in order to be legal.
So this big?
Yeah,
Whoa.
yeah, that's a jewfish.
So are these good eating fish?
Oh, beautiful.
It's gonna die. Look, it's bleeding. So
Just don't worry.
just chuck it on the barbecue. Sheikh, this could feed 2 people, man. Can't believe we did that.
Swam away nice.
Oh.
Yours looks a little bit bigger. Keep the pressure on.
Wait, I got something before he did.
Wait, keep the pressure on, it's hard. Yep, you hook it like that. That's a decent fish. That's a decent fish.
But I got one.
All right, pass the net. That seems decent. Pass the net. It's hard. Yeah.
Allah Akbar.
Okay, what are you doing?
What should I do?
You should reel it in. But if it wants to run,
Give it to Sheikh.
pass here 1 minute. 1 minute.
Now, Sheikh, it's not stabbing.
No. You've lost it.
Really?
Yeah, you've lost it.
No, it's still there.
No, you've lost it. As soon as you lost it. What happened is that you let pressure off and it's gone.
Hey, Saad, look at my fish.
That was a good fish, Saad. You had a good fish on.
Allah will give me another one.
Inshallah. Remember the one that Hamza lost?
Oh, that was incredible.
Yeah.
We still have a connection.
Okay, this one you have to really watch out for. It's got this very, very sharp spikes on it. Let's check it out here, Sheikh, 1 minute to see, but pretty sure it's legal. What does that say? Over 40?
Yeah, just over 40.
Yeah, that's legal. And they're the nicest eating fish you can get out of these waters.
Cook it. Barbie. We should cook it. Seriously.
Did you guys bring the pliers?
I got pliers in the box.
Yeah, you got pliers. That's one thing I didn't bloody bring pliers. Well done, Sheikh.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So who hasn't caught anything yet?
Me?
No, wait, you have?
No, I haven't.
Not even a Jew?
I haven't even got a bite.
No, I think you have. So I think Saad's the only one who hasn't.
Which is the point of this whole conversation.
I know, bro, read the room. I mean, the boat.
You're rubbing it in hard right now.
Whoa, I feel like you
The fish can actually sense how.
Alright.
Another one?
Yeah, so we've caught the trevally. This is nice to eat raw, but I didn't bring anything for sashimi. Oh, I've got mayo.
Oh, he's got it.
You know what? You just eat it raw. Are you on?
Bad. Not bad. Good size.
Oh, don't tell me I'm caught. No, but I'm pretty sure.
Appointment.
Oh, it's a nice flatty. Got it? Yeah, the flatties.
I have a feeling.
Whose line is that? Do you think this might be your fish then?
No, this is your fish. You reeled it in.
Alhamdulillah.
Well done. Is that legal?
Yeah, that looks legal. Sheikh, whose is bigger, mine or yours?
I didn't see your one. I think I might have it.
I think yours might actually be bigger. Yeah, he's well legal. It's even over 40. Beautiful. So we've got 2 flatheads and a trevally. All right, so that's a decent brim. That's a very nice eating fish. That's a brim. You pay about 30 bucks a kilo in the shop for this.
$30 a kilo.
Yeah.
So let's sell it.
So can I have it?
Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be taking fish.
I'll just like, I'll bag this one.
So I'm cleaning up fish for everyone else. I've caught like literally 3 on the go now. Trevally, flathead, brim. Ah. See, this is what you don't want.
What?
Jewy.
It's purple.
Yeah, but it's a jewy. Small jewy. But they're, for some reason, they're on the bite right now. I can tell you that. For some reason, they've come on the bite. And so I'm just getting fish after fish.
I think I got one as well.
Yeah? He's not legal. He's small.
What is that, 6 for me now?
You see, that's a little tarwhine.
No, just throw it back.
But not bad, you see. They are on the bite, the fish.